Hello guys, Ron here, and again I am the admin for ClickWorker Philippines, and today I will be explaining further on how you get paid with your tasks or with the hits that you have worked on in UHRS. I read a post about their experience with working for UHRS. It says something like I also received this email. I think there is a lack of respect for employees. You spend hours reading guidelines to pass the qualification. You pay pennies. You need to do more than 70 hits to earn $1 or $2. And when you start earning a reasonable amount, they take the hit from you, still holds your money almost 2 months to pay. And it also says that there was a problem in the system and it will arrive a little later. It's absurd. The code of conduct needs to review some points on that particular platform. Uh, I would just like to clarify things in regard to this post, and we'll also explain again how UHRS pays you. So, in regard to this issue, usually, let me log into UHRS. UHRS first. What happens is UHRS pass on jobs to ClickWorker, and once you complete a task, within the UHRS platform, it'll usually get paid um, every week, okay? And it'll reflect on your UHRS account balance right here, okay? So whatever you earn from UHRS every week, which is going to be in dollars, okay, that will be transferred over to your ClickWorker account every week. I believe it's from Sunday until Wednesday. And once the amount goes to to click worker, it'll be again under the payable amount. Now with click worker, those amount that you earned from UHRS, you can go ahead and check it under account balance, and it'll say it'll be payable within 28 days. All right, that is the current process. It works perfectly fine for those people who understand, the ins and outs of working for such an online platform. So yes, they do pay, and with Click Worker, you have to get at least €5 as the minimum payable amount for it to be transferred over to your PayPal account. So it does pay. In regard to this post, I hope I'm able to clarify your issue. I understand they pay a minimum amount. I mean, not really minimum, it's below minimum because it's only cents. All right. That is how it is designed. And uh, unfortunately, we cannot do anything about, the amount for each hits that you'll get paid. But again, just to clarify things, what do you do online for ClickWorker and UHRS is really up to you. This is not a full-time job, it's only a part-time job. Whenever you feel like working for them, you can do so. So out of respect for this particular post, I hope it clarify, you know things that you do not understand just yet. And again, if you do have any questions, please go ahead and post in the ClickWorker Philippines group, or you can send me a direct message. Thank you and have a good day.